SIR has scribbled the blanket of fear in West Bengal. And especially after the practice of or the exercise of SIR has begun, a lot of illegal immigrants are now seen to leaving the state. The checkposts we have observed.
আওয়াজ করিস না, একটু দূরে থাক না।
The fear of the systematic intensive revision has now blanketed West Bengal, and that stays to be an example. The exercise of SIR has now blanketed of fear in West Bengal. Especially after its exercise has begun, we are now observing that this illegally immigrant lands which have been illegally captured now seems to be vacant. Times now have repeatedly gone to the ground in check of the reality. And earlier in Newtown, we have found that Bangladeshis now escaping has also confronted. The checkposts have also seen a gathering of Bangladeshis who are now willing to get back to their country. And today times now have reached Madhyam Gram's 3rd number ward at the Vishwaspara, where my VJ Sharbajit shows you around, and you can see vacant land where they have been settled for over 10 to 20 years now have been left in peace. You can see that their belongings, the houses that they were staying in are now locked. There are locks which are now hanging outside their doors that you see, and they have left their houses. This colony has been occupied by more than 100 to 200 people, as we get to understand speaking to the neighbors, and they have been settled out here for more than 10 years, which is over a decade. Now this decade cannot be, settlement over a decade cannot happen without the administration's knowledge. So when the neighbors speak to Times Now, they have told us that after the exercise of SIR that has begun out here, the Purasabha, which is the municipal corporation, has handed these people who have settled out here illegally and used to work as rag pickers or sweepers in various households, and that is how their income was settled too. They have been handed with papers to leave, and not only handed papers but more have also left due to the fear that has been caused by SIR, because these people did not have legal documents to stay out in India, but yet they had settled out here illegally for more than a decade or so. As my camera person Sharbajit has been showing you around, and Times Now have been repeatedly